Cooper!
What up, guys? It is a special day today, and I think Cooper's gonna tell us what we're doing today. Where are you, Cooper?
Today we're at the trampoline park.
Why?
Yeah! We're for my birthday party. And
So what else are we doing for your birthday party?
We're going to Thomas Land and the beach and Red Robin.
Yeah, we're going to trampoline park, Red Robin.
And
go-karts, golf, miniature golf, the beach, Red Robin. And we have Carson, Cooper, me, Nolan. Let's go to the trampoline park. Hurry.
Yep.
All right, we're at Summit Adventure Park in Bellingham, Washington. It's gonna be a blast. Are you guys excited?
They have a playground.
No way. Yeah, check this out.
Look.
And basketball?
Yeah, but that's...
Wow. Are you gonna go slide, Carson? It's not, it's fine. It's fun. Go for it.
Oh yeah, you guys, I'm going down.
Did you jump, Car? Jump, jump, jump. Off the wall. Try it. Okay, here we go. Go get the ball. Carson's being brave climbing up there. Go for it, Carson. Go. Woohoo! Would you like it? Yeah. You either have to duck or jump. Oh! Oh God! Oh! Okay, man, jump! Oh. Where is he? Colton! Where did they go? Oh my gosh!
I'm not very nice.
Birthday so far on a scale of 1 to 10.
Good.
Super good, like a 10?
Yes. Made it to the top. Here comes Colt. Oh no, you guys look good. Alright guys,
Where did Carson go? Nolan! Let's go all the way in. Scoot in. You gotta scoot all the way in.
Yeah.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Are you okay? Ouch! Carson, did you break your head? Are you all right?
Yeah.
You good? Okay. Okay, Colton. Ready? Try to do a flip at the end. Do a flip at the end. Flip! Alright, Cooper. Do a flip at the end. You can't? Why? Flip at the end. Ready? Go! Flip! What? You forgot to let go. Whoops. Let go! They have massage chairs here. I'm doing that. That's what I need. 6 minutes. 6 minutes of peace. Gonna be 9. He's jumping off the wall. Woo! Oh, broke your ankles. Ouch! Did you break your ankle?
I don't think I...
Okay, you're gonna break your ankles? Jump on your butt.
What?
Yeah. Or break your neck. There you go.
I want to do that again.
Ken, jump all the way up here from down there. Do it. 1, 2, 3, jump! Jump on your butt, Cooper. So you don't break your leg. Okay? Go! Woo! Woo! Holy cow!
Can I vlog?
That's good. Are you alright?
Dad, jump!
Are you alright?
Second time in his life. Dad, jump! Dad.
Hold on, Colton just about died. I'm too old. Jump!
Oh my! 3, 2, 1, go!
Are you destined to break something today? And go.
Wait, I want to show you something. Wait, hold on. Okay, so Cooper's gonna be doing an awesome stunt. We're ready. Whee! Come back. Whee! Finally.
Carson, jump off there. You don't want to jump all the way from up here? Why? Go, Nolan. Colton, jump from up here.
Why?
Just do it. YOLO. Go.
Yoda!
No, you're taking it with you? Here, hold it out. There you go. Go!
Yoda!
3, 2, 1.
Are you guys okay? Catch!
Alright, Colton.
No.
Hold the camera and show us what you're made of. Do it. Hold it. Hold it.
I know.
Hold it.
I'm gonna
No,
drop.
hold it out. It's just fine.
I'm gonna
I
drop
want
the
to see your
camera.
face as you fall.
I'm gonna drop the camera.
Hold it out in front of your face. Drop.
Now I think I can do it.
Go.
Let's do it again. Right here. Let's do it again.
Mine, Tom!
I did it.
Did you have fun?
Yes.
Alright, where are we going now?
Red Robin.
What are you gonna get?
A cheeseburger and
Yeah, alright, let's go. Okay guys, we made it to our next stop. Cooper, where are we?
Thomas Land.
So we made it to Station 49, Miniature World, Thomas Land, what's it called? In Birch Bay, and it is beautiful out here.
It's a
So, have you guys had fun so far today?
Yes.
Yes or no?
yes.
Yes.
Y-E-S.
Y-E-S, yes?
Yes.
Alright, ready? I think we go in over here. Okay, let's stay together because it's a tight parking spot. Carson, you ready? You don't want it to go in the water. And look at the go-kart track. Yeah. Watch your step, okay? Cooper, wait for me. All right, Cooper, you can go, buddy.
Okay.
That's not how you hold it. Let me show you, okay? Big swing, bud. Stand on the side. Nope, stand on the side and hold it the right way.
No, you have to go like.
Turn, nope, turn it.
Why?
Let Colton show you.
No, you have to go like.
Carson,
No, Carson, not like that. Let him show you.
have your.
Try again. Good job. Whoa, I feel like that's going to... Oh, look at that one. Oh, way, that worked. Oh.
Guess what?
Back up a little bit so you're actually hitting it with your slate. There you go. There you go, buddy. I'm gonna get a hole in one. You ready? Not so much. I got a not hole in one. Windmill, you guys gotta go through it. Okay? Right through there. I'll tell you when to go, okay?
Stay out of Karts.
Okay, Cooper. That worked. All right, go, bud. Oh, nice shot. All right, it's go-kart time. Who's ready for go-kart time?
Me.
Are you ready for go-kart time?
Me.
Are you ready for go-kart time?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
I'm ready
You
for
ready?
go-kart.
Are you ready to go fast? Okay.
The camera. Cooper's going!
Where is he? Oh my god!
Where's Cooper? Where's Cooper? Back there?
Ready? Are you ready to go super fast? Yeah? Okay. Let's catch up to Cooper. Woo! Coming after you, Cooper. Is number 11. He's just heading out now. And Cooper is like right over there, the birthday boy. Hi, Cooper. Oh, he's kind of driving like a crazy guy. It's getting late. It's already almost 5 o'clock, so we're doing presents out by the van. Make sure you hold on to your garbage, Cooper. Hold on to your garbage so you don't make a mess. What is that? Wow. Who's that from? Thanks. What do you say, Cooper?
Thank you. And this will
Super cool.
And then this. Let's see. Who's that?
Give me the paper so we don't get
I know the black. Yes, what's the present from Colt?
Colton, you grab that paper right there, bud. Look at that. That's so cool.
Where's the one from Nolan?
It's in the front. So in the front seat. Got ya, Nolan and Ava. Oh, is that a Minecraft swimsuit?
Yeah.
No way, dude. Oh, they're boxers. So you can wear those to like sleep. Cooper, grab that paper, please.
I have that one.
Nice. Like a drawing board. So fun. They're boxers.
So,
Hi guys, so we're back. Cooper's birthday's over. We're done with everything. But Cooper, tell him how you thought birthday was.
Good.
Do you want to end the video?
Yes, subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to your channel for more trampoline parks and Thomas Land videos. More videos. Bye.
Bye. Happy birthday, Cooper. How old are you again?
You don't die.
And 95. Bye.
Bye.